Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today I'm going to show you how to use one ear earphone or AirPod on the Apple AirPods 3. So thankfully on this device, all you have to do is pull out the one you want to use, put it on your ear, and you can sync it and start using it. If you want to do the right one or the left one, that's all you need to do. You can also just have them out if you want and use one, and usually it will stop your music in a way because it notices that it's out, so you can have it on your ear and play, and the moment you take it out it stops. The moment you put it back in, usually it starts playing again. You can just press play and it starts playing. But yeah, sometimes when you change you also have to hit play again, but you could also, if you are still on the app, you can click the stem one time and that should stop it or play it if you need so. So just one click to the stem and you can start playing if you're changing AirPods. This is a great way to save a lot of battery, or even if you're in a room with people that might be talking to you, want to listen to something, you can have one ear on and one ear off. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Bye.